Today we are going to do a project of restoring your outdoor patio furniture. So we got this old patio set that had good structural condition, no real wear on the couch, just some sun fade. And we decided to restore it and bring it back to life. So the couch on the right is the faded one where the metal frame is faded and the cushions are faded. And the little section to the left is the restored one where we brought it back to life. And we'll show you how we did it. So we got some black spray paint from Home Depot. We're going to paint the frame black, and we got some red fabric dye also from Home Depot, and we're going to spray that red for the cushions. Cleaning up any dust or residue. This is the black spray paint going onto the frame. We got the glossy kind, so we just sprayed the whole frame down. And then I started on spraying some of the cushions while John did the frame. So I was just making sure to evenly coat the cushions as I was spraying it. And when you're spraying the frame with the black spray paint, just make sure not to spray it on too thick or else it could start to drip. I just want to give a close-up of spraying the cushions. This was how it turned out. When you're spraying the cushions, sometimes you'll go over it a couple times and it'll layer up pretty good. This is our first and only coat that we applied. We might go back and apply more later, but we just did one for now. But see how it builds up. You might accidentally get a little pile of fabric dye. I just took a dirty little rag and just rubbed that back into the fabric, and it came out nice and even and good. Thumbs up. So that's the before and after, and it just took one coat of the red fabric paint and we did the whole sectional.